everyone. Welcome back to Easy English Podcast. I'm Sarah.
And I'm Mike. How are you today, Sarah?
I'm great, Mike. Thanks for asking. And today, we have something really useful for you.
Yes, this is English conversation practice for beginners.
Today, you will learn how to talk about your weekend in English. You'll be able to ask people about their weekend and answer when someone asks you.
This is so important because every Monday, people ask, how was your weekend?
Exactly. At work, at school, with friends, everywhere.
So let's learn together today.
Before we start, if you're new here, please subscribe to our channel.
Yes, we make simple English lessons every day to help you speak confidently.
And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. It really helps us.
You can also share it with your friends who are learning English.
Okay, so Mike, why is talking about the weekend so important?
Well, Sarah, it's a very common topic. It's friendly, it's easy, and everyone has a weekend.
That's true. When you talk about your weekend, you practice past tense, you share your life, and you connect with people.
Right, and it's not difficult. You don't need big vocabulary.
Exactly. You just need simple words and simple sentences.
So, Sarah, let's start with the most common question.
Okay,
Okay, how was your weekend?
it was good, thanks. How about you?
It was great.
Perfect. So everyone, did you hear that question? How was your weekend?
This is the #1 question. You will hear it many times in your life.
And the answer is very simple. You can say it was good, or it was great, or it was okay.
You can also say, it was nice, it was fun, it was relaxing.
Or if your weekend was not so good, you can say it was busy, or it was tiring.
Yes, be honest. It's okay if your weekend wasn't perfect.
Right. So let me ask you again, Mike. How was your weekend?
It was relaxing. I stayed home and read a book.
Oh, nice. That sounds peaceful.
It was. How was your weekend, Sarah?
It was busy. I cleaned my house and went shopping.
Okay, so we learned the basic question, but usually people want to know more details.
Yes, after someone answers, you can ask, what did you do?
Good question. So, Sarah, what did you do last weekend?
I went to the park with my family. We had a picnic.
That sounds fun.
It was. The weather was beautiful.
See, everyone? Sarah told me 3 things. She went to the park, she was with her family, and they had a picnic.
You don't need to say a lot, just a few simple sentences.
Exactly. So I can say, I visited my friend, we watched a movie together.
Perfect. Or you can say, I stayed home, I cooked, and listened to music.
Very good. Now let's practice some activities. Sarah, tell me some things people do on weekends.
Okay, some people go shopping.
Some people play sports.
Some people visit family.
Some people watch TV or movies.
Some people go to restaurants.
And some people just sleep.
Yes, that's very common too.
Now, everyone, did you notice something? We're talking about the weekend, so we use past tense.
Right. The weekend already happened. It's finished.
So we say, I went, not I go.
I watched, not I watch.
I stayed, not I stay.
But don't worry, you don't need to be perfect. People will understand you.
That's true. Communication is more important than perfection.
Okay, let me give you some examples. Mike, repeat after me.
Okay?
I played basketball.
I played basketball.
I visited my grandmother.
I visited my grandmother.
I cleaned my apartment.
I cleaned my apartment.
Good. Now you try at home, everyone. Pause the video and repeat.
Don't be shy. Practice out loud. Your English will improve faster when you speak.
Absolutely. And remember, mistakes are okay. That's how we learn. Mike, when someone tells you about their weekend, what can you say next?
Good question. You can show interest. You can ask more questions.
Exactly. For example, if I say, I went to a restaurant, you can ask,
Which restaurant did you go to? Or what did you eat?
perfect, or how was the food?
Yes, these questions keep the conversation going.
Right. Let's practice this. Mike, I went to the beach last weekend.
Oh, really? How was it?
It was amazing. The water was so clear.
Did you swim?
Yes, I did. I also collected some shells.
That sounds wonderful.
See, everyone? Mike asked me questions. This made our conversation longer and more interesting.
And I learned more about Sarah's weekend. So when someone tells you about their weekend, don't just say, okay, or nice.
Ask a question. Show that you care. Now let's talk about different types of weekends. Mike, sometimes weekends are very busy, right?
Oh, yes. Last month, my weekend was so busy. I went to 3 different places.
Wow, where did you go?
On Saturday morning, I went to the supermarket. Then in the afternoon, I went to my friend's birthday party. And on Sunday, I went hiking with my brother.
That's a lot. You must have been tired.
I was, but it was fun.
So everyone, you can say, my weekend was busy if you did many things.
And you can say, my weekend was quiet if you stayed home and relaxed.
Or, my weekend was boring if nothing interesting happened.
It's okay to be honest.
Yes, not every weekend is exciting, and that's normal.
Exactly. So, Sarah, do you prefer busy weekends or quiet weekends?
I like both. Sometimes I want to go out and see friends. Sometimes I want to stay home and rest.
Me too. It depends on my mood.
What about you at home, everyone? Do you prefer busy weekends or quiet weekends? Think about it.
We're going to practice everything again at the end, so stay with us.
Yes, we'll give you example sentences you can use right away.
And we want to hear about your weekend in the comments.
Before we finish, let's talk about when and how to use these questions.
Good idea. So you can ask about the weekend on Monday or Tuesday.
Right. If it's Wednesday or Thursday, it's a bit late.
Yes. Then you can ask, how's your week going instead?
Exactly. And remember, you can ask this question to coworkers, classmates, neighbors, or friends.
It's a friendly way to start a conversation.
And when someone asks you, keep your answer simple. You don't need to tell your whole life story.
Right. 2 or 3 sentences is perfect.
For example, my weekend was good. I went to the park and met some friends.
Perfect length.
And if you didn't do anything special, that's okay too. You can say, I just relaxed at home. I needed to rest.
Exactly. Be yourself. Be honest.
Okay, everyone, let's review what we learned today.
First, the question, how was your weekend?
You can answer, it was good, or it was great, or it was busy.
Then you can add details like, I went shopping, or I watched a movie.
And you can ask follow-up questions like, what did you do, or where did you go?
Remember to use past tense because the weekend already happened.
And keep your answers simple and natural.
Don't worry about being perfect, just practice.
The more you practice, the easier it becomes.
Now we want you to practice.
Yes, in the comments below, tell us about your weekend.
You can write, my weekend was great. I visited my parents.
Or, my weekend was relaxing. I stayed home and cooked.
Or, my weekend was busy. I cleaned and studied.
Write anything. We will read your comments.
And we will reply to help you.
Don't be nervous. This is practice. Mistakes are okay.
We're all learning together.
Thank you so much for watching today's lesson.
We hope you feel more confident talking about your weekend now.
Remember, English doesn't have to be difficult. Small steps every day make a big difference.
Tomorrow, we'll have a new lesson. Speak English confidently every day. Beginner conversation practice.
We'll practice more real-life conversations to help you speak naturally.
So subscribe if you haven't already and turn on notifications.
That way, you won't miss any lessons.
Keep practicing, keep speaking, and believe in yourself.
See you tomorrow.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.